Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, J vs B. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to be making metallic slime. So first you take a bowl, glue and a spoon, and then you want to add your glue into the bowl. Ta-da! I've got all my glue in the bowl and it looks so pretty. Okay, so as you can see it's come out in little bits, so I think I'm going to just give it a little mix. This looks so cool. Okay, so now that I've mixed it, I'm going to go ahead and add in my activator. So you can take, I will start off with one cap, but you can always add more if you need it. So it doesn't stick to your hands that much. Again, if it's too sticky, add more activator, but I think that's fine. Such a pretty teal. Oh gosh. And once they've done that, you have a finished slime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up.